In the next experiment, we will interface the push button with LED. So for that program, you need to open the Arduino IDE. Next, select the board which you are using, ESP32 room module. After selecting the board, you need to select the port which you have connected your ESP32. Click on OK. Next, you need to write the code for the push button interface. After writing down your code, click on upload. It will first compile the code which you have written. If there are any errors, it will show the errors. Otherwise, it will compile the code and then start uploading the code to the ESP32. So here you can see that the code is compiled. Now it is started uploading automatically. So once it is done uploading, you can check the out. You can connect the hardware to the ESP32 and observe the output.
So, as you have previously seen that a push button program has jumped into an ESP32. So let's start the connection. So for the input of the push up is connected to the pin 4 and ground to ground terminal of the ESP32, and LED is connected to the pin 2 of the ESP32, and ground to the ground terminal of the ESP32. So when the push button is pushed, then the LED should glow. So when we push the button, the LED gets on. When we release the button, the LED gets off. So this is a push button code.